Hello, beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat, and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. In this video, I want to share with you my mini Bible bag. Now, this is a bag that I received as a gift. Well, actually, I received cash for a gift, but I decided to treat myself back during the, I think it was like an Amazon type of sale. And I saw this online and I absolutely fell in love with it. It's just such a cute little bag. Now, the name of the brand is, I'm going to put it on the screen, but I'm also going to show you the logo here. And it's so cute. It's kind of a corduroy material, very sturdy, great zippers. There's 2 compartments I'm going to take you through. There are pockets on the front of it. And yeah, I just thought I would share with you what I keep in my mini Bible bag. Now, why do I have a Bible bag? Well, times be tough, y'all. And I'm finding that I am, as a Christian, I'm reaching out more and more to just solidify my relationship with Christ. Just in times when things are not going well and you just feel like a chokehold is on you, it's all the more important, in my opinion, to reach out and seek the Word of God, to seek the presence of the Lord. Sometimes when I need to when I just need to stop and take a breath and just, remember, that God is able and that He is wonderful, I reach for this. And so I've been keeping it a lot at work. It's kind of been on my desk a lot at work because I need it. I need it. So let's dive into this bag here. So the bag itself, it is so small and petite. If I can find the dimensions for you, I will. But this is a great bag. Like if it's lunchtime, I carry this and my lunch bag, and I just, go to a nice quiet spot, eat my lunch, read a little bit, journal, sing, do whatever I need to do to get myself back on track. Now, like I mentioned, there are 3 pockets in the front here. In this pocket up front is a pair of these ear pods that I love. I get them from Amazon. They're about $20. They are the best earphones I've ever used. And I have I'm almost ashamed to admit it, but I have 4 pairs in different colors. Mr. Calm, my husband, has 3 pairs himself. They're just great, fabulous. So I keep these here in the front so that I can, listen to music on my phone, etc. And so opening up the first pocket, you will see I have all the things. Now, the first thing I'm going to take out is my Bible. Now, this is the Bible. I actually got this Bible from the dollar store. And it's held up so well. Like, it looks brand new. Like, I just telling you, the dollar store is fantastic. And I just keep this little bookmark in there. I don't really need it. I'm somebody who, I like going through and trying to find things. I don't like to bookmark my Bible. I don't know if I'm weird like that, but that's where it is. But I love it. For somebody who may need like reading glasses, this print may be a little bit too small, but it works for me and I love it. And yeah, dollar store, I think this was about $3 at my local dollar store, and it's such good quality, such a great Bible. And it's in the King James Version. Next up, I have my 180 devotions for when life gets hard. And this is something I've reached for probably for the last 3 months or so, just because I'm feeling it, friends. I'm feeling it. Comment down below if you're feeling it too. Just like the inertia of life right now is just, and I know mine is mostly work related and stuff, but it's still life, right? But this has been so helpful, so helpful, and just helping me navigate some of these trickier times, knowing that God is with me and direct me to just inspiring words and verses to kind of help me, just remind me that everything's going to be okay. So there's that. And then next up, I have just a little notebook. This is a Moleskine notebook, and I love Moleskine notebooks. I'm not going to open it and show you because there's a lot of personal stuff in here and prayer requests, things like that. But get yourself a Moleskine notebook. I mean, you don't have to get a Moleskine, but there's just something about Moleskine quality that's just unmatched. But if you're not looking to spend Moleskine money, a dollar store notebook will do you just fine. Next, now this is kind of random, but I like to carry my extra cell phone in here. Now this I use for mainly for singing purposes, for music, even like if I'm looking for like my Bible plan, because I do have a Bible plan on the Bible app that I follow. And so it's just a great resource. Now this one is only connected to, can only be connected to like Wi-Fi, and it's not like a service, so I can't make phone calls from this phone. It's just like an old phone, but it's great for that purpose, just like an extra set of hands, if you will. To help me, you know, get through my stuff. As long as there's Wi-Fi, it's good to go. And then in this pocket here, there's these little two side pockets at the front here. I have just some sticky notes in case I want to just, you know, make note of anything. You know what sticky notes are for. They're great. And then I have, this is kind of fun, but I have some stickers here, just like some inspiration stickers. Sometimes I'll just kind of go through these. These are some Bible verse stickers that I've got, I can't remember where, maybe Amazon, that are just so super cute. Life is tough, but so are you. I love that one. Just, she has fire in her soul and grace in her heart. Just like some just nice friendly reminders that, you know what, it's gonna be okay. So there's that. There's the main part of the bag. And then the second compartment on this side here, would be the back of it, is just to keep all of my writing supplies. So here I have my Sharpie pens that I like to use. These are another popular set of pens. They're kind of like fine pens that are great for just capturing some notes, things like that. I have a pencil in here if I need it. I also have another pen. I have some dot markers that I like to use if I'm making a list, like a prayer request list or a prayer list in hand. I love that. And then these are my favorite Bible-based pens, Mr. Pen. Any highlighter will do. I just like the size of them and just the muted color of the highlighter itself is just really great for highlighting. Now, I don't highlight in this Bible because I did one page and I felt like it bled through the pages because it is a dollar store Bible and the pages are so thin that I felt like it was like bleeding too heavily through the pages. So this Bible doesn't have any highlighting, and I'm okay with that. I don't need to highlight my Bible or anything like that. Or this particular Bible anyway. I do highlight other Bibles, but this one is fine. But I love that. And yeah, these are all the things that I use for my Bible study, and it works out great. I really like the setup. I really love this bag. It's super cute. It's the design of it just allows you to hold so much. So I'm just going to repack this here so you can see. It just holds so many things. It works. It's not bulky. It's super cute, and it just holds all the things that I need to enjoy my Bible study experience. And the link for this bag that I found on Amazon will be in the description below. And this comes in a variety of colors as well. So if you're looking to create your own, it doesn't have to be a Bible bag. It could be, a cosmetic, a self-care bag, or anything like that, whatever your flavor is. I highly recommend this bag because it is super, super cute, super functional, super sturdy, all the good things. 10 out of 10 for sure. So thank you so much, my friends, for joining me on this quick video as I share with you what was in my mini Bible bag. Let me know what you carry in your bag, whatever bag that may be. It could be a Bible bag, a cosmetics bag, your work bag, your everyday bag. I would love to know if you care to share. Those are some of my favorite videos to watch and film. And until the next time, my friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, peeps.